I saw somebody asking about creating site modifiers for this object here. I think it's reasonably straightforward. So I'm going to do one of my tricks. I'm going to set my active class to site DTM modifier. Use my extract tool, that one, and that one. Now I could here change this from create planar objects to create NURBS, and it will create NURBS objects for me. So there's a series of objects there. They're in a group. If we have a look, they're NURBS surfaces. We'll put those on the class site DTM modifier. They will become a site modifier because of it. So let's exit the group and we will select everything. Let's just make sure we select all. So that's everything. Group it all together to keep it together. Copy it. Let's go back to my project. That's this one here. We're going to find somewhere to paste it. And we're going to set the elevation of this. I'm going to move this elevation to 158 feet. That should get it to my site. There it is there. And if I update my site model, there's my site modifiers cutting into my site. I think that's pretty quick. Thanks for watching.